There's nothing here to talk about, the stage is pretty easy, just like, enjoy the run. Hello everyone, and welcome to one of me, Son of Blizzard Man. This is attempt number 46. I actually hate this game now. I never realized before that this game can eat you inputs like this much. I never realized that you can do that. By the way, take the top path here. I'm only taking the bottom path for content. Someone said I play this challenge is way too safe. Anyways, so yeah, as I said, this game sucks actually. Like, it's just your inputs way too much. Like, too many things to inputs being eaten. God damn it. Turning around does it. Stopping does it. Jumping makes you eat your inputs. God damn it. Why Mega Man 6? Why? Like, obviously you also can't jump on a slide, but like that's all like at least feels consistent. You like always know that you can't jump on a slide. But these inputs being eaten, you never know when your input is gonna get eaten. You never know. So yes, with that aside, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. I actually missed the day for Catholic Christmas, but to Orthodox people, Merry Christmas. And I guess like Merry Late Christmas to Catholic people. Whatever. You may have noticed that I uploaded a short on my channel, like, about the Twin Devil. Well, I don't know how much attention it got. As of last time I checked. I can't check right now because my Wi-Fi is non-existent for some reason. I have no idea what happened to my Wi-Fi, but it's gone for some reason. Anyways, yeah, last time I checked, it had 1.7 thousand views and 25 likes. Which isn't like that ridiculous when you like consider how much attention big videos get, usually like millions of views and stuff. But like, consider that like the average video on this channel gets 20 views. Around 20 views. I'm saying that like, okay, being generous, like maximum I'm getting like 30 views. And like, if you check my German video, you'll see that that video has like, you don't know how much attention it got? 8 views and 1 like. That is so low. This is the first time I've gotten to... No, wait, it is the second time. Never mind. This is the second time I've gotten to Blizzard, man. Let's just hope that the game doesn't eat my inputs. This boss is only hard because the game eats your inputs. Otherwise, this boss would be trivial. Like, straight up. Anyways. Yeah. Shows are ridiculously broken. Why do they get so much attention compared to normal videos? Do people really want to hear that, oh, you can kill the Twin Devil in 3 cycles, instead of watching like skill-based gameplay? You know? Is that really what people want? Whatever. I should upload a shot about like the fact that you can no damage, no shots fired, splash command stage. I think the average 5-year-old will have their mind blown by that knowledge. That's gonna get like a lot of attention, I bet. I should really do that. That's a good idea, I feel like. Please get away from me, you Canadian. That sounds racist. I'm sorry. Anyways, yeah. I have nothing else to say. Let's just like fight Blizzard, man. I don't know. I've ranted about the things I wanted to rant about. Okay. Gets intense now. Come on. Die for the Canadian! Yeah! Merry Christmas! I'm happy I never have to do this again. Actually, I have like 7 more stages in this game to do. Okay, whatever. You get B attack. Hooray! I can attack with my snowflakes. Yeah! I hate everything. Look, this is my password now. I need to write it down. So yeah. There is no overview. I feel like that stage was pretty self-explanatory anyway. If you don't understand the kind of part, maybe go back into the video and watch my successful run. You can also ask in the comments below. Anyways, let's get into the outtakes. I feel like these are pretty funny. Why does this game work like this? Hold you with a freaking... Hold up a freaking second. Hold, okay, I need to kill this guy. I'm not insane, right? There! There! You saw that, right? You can't jump if you turn... You can't jump if you're turning around. What the hell? But only sometimes. There! Again! What the hell? There again! Why? Why is this a game mechanic? What? I hate how you... Why? Why Mega Man 6? Why can't you turn around after jumping? That's so... I mean, other way around. Why can't you jump after turning around? Mega Man 6, why? What the hell? You can hump walls in this game? What the fu- Why is it that shield attack cannot despawn? God damn it. I pressed jump. What was that? What? You can't be serious right now. This is not how the game should... I'm pressing jump when I'm stopping. Like right as I'm stopping, I'm pressing jump. Are you seeing this? Oh my god! It's so consistent! Look, again! Can you like not... Is there like a safe area where we can test this out? The actual attacker. What? It turns back... Okay. I'm not going insane. This is like a... Look! Why is this game... It can input so often? God damn it! Does it only happen on ice? Is this even a normal thing? God damn... Hold the fucking phone. What the fuck? God damn it. Ah! Okay, this is solid ground. Let's just kill this fellow over here. It happens on normal ground as well? I have never noticed that this game eats your input so much. My god! Point is, happy holidays. I jumped! What the f... I swear, I'm... This is... Okay. I'm discovering new ways that this game can eat your inputs. If you jump right after landing, your input gets eaten. I legit never noticed this. God damn it. How have I never noticed any of these before? Look, it got eaten. Great. Look, okay. Get away from me, you people. God damn it. Like, how do you make a game that eats your inputs like this? Like, how? How do you do it? How do you do it? How? Explain it to me, Mega Man 6 developers. Like, being able to slide is bad enough already, but like, I can't even like do anything else. Why do you do this, Mega Man 6? Hello everyone, and welcome to one of the meanest kind of Blizzard Man. This is attempt number 42. I don't really wanna do this, but whatever, it's New Year. I should say Happy New Year to you. Okay, okay, whatever. Yeah, Happy New Year. And also Merry Christmas if you're Orthodox, because I missed the date for like Catholic Christmas. By the way, take the top hat here. How do you do this? How do you do this thing? How do you do that? Genuinely, someone explain to me. How do you like fail at that? How do you... I love this when this game in each input, by the way. That's like so fun. How do you... Look at this jump. Look at this jump. Can you die, please? Look at this jump. Look at it. Look at it. How do you fail this? How? How do you fail this goddamn jump? Are you seeing this right now? Are you... Yeah, that's Blizzard, man. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas yet again. What caused me the most trouble seems to be seals, as well as that one section with shield attacks and pucks. Seals are just annoying because they take 5 shots to kill, which is a very awkward number. With a number like 4 or 6 you can just shoot 2 and 2, or with 6 it's 2 and 2 and 2, or 3 and 3. But there's no such like good number with 5. You have to either shoot 2, 2 and 1, or 3 and 2, which is really awkward. It's not really hard, but it's just annoying, that's all. Winning shield attackers and shooting pucks requires some practice, but it's not really that hard. Again, the stage is pretty easy. The mini bosses are annoying since the game eats few inputs, and the bullet section, well, it's alright. It requires a little practice, but it's easy, like it's really easy. Blizzard Bear suffers from the same issues as the Octopus, as in, he is not that hard, but since the game eats few inputs, the fight actually becomes kinda difficult. This stage does have a small luck element to it as well. Some of Blizzardman's snowflake patterns can be very awkward. Sometimes he might even corner you if he slides forward enough times in a row. But that's like really insignificant whatever, so here's the final rating. Enjoy your holidays, everyone!